Okay guys, today I'm working on a 1998 Honda Accord 4-cylinder with automatic transmission. The check engine light came on. I pulled the code and it said third pressure switch, and when I looked it up, it actually meant third clutch pressure switch on the automatic transmission. So I went to the Honda dealership, purchased the part, and I searched everywhere on Google and on YouTube and had a hard time finding the exact location. So I went back to the Honda dealership. They printed out a little schematic for me. I found it easier if you remove the battery box and the battery tray. And if you look down here up under it, there's the third pressure switch. It only has one pin inside the wire connector itself. The size of the wrench that's going to be used to remove that is a 22 millimeter. I'll show you. Oh, faithful Craftsman 22 millimeter. So we're going to replace that, and it's a simple swap. Also, when you purchase the pressure switch, make sure you get a fresh washer, because the switch doesn't come with one, so you have to purchase that separately. So let me get it swapped out. Alright guys, before I install it, I want you to see what it looks like. It only has one pin inside. And if you notice on the sides of it, there's a guide here, a guide here. And of course this is where the clips on. And here, the new washer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the other one now. Okay guys and girls, here's the sensor that I removed. It matches the new one that I purchased. And I want you guys to know, it did not have a washer on here, but the diagram at the Honda dealership showed that it had one, so I went ahead and put one on mine. Installed it down there. Being that it's you don't want to over torque it, I guess is what I want to say. Be careful when you put it down in there. You tighten it up, snug it down, and then just give it just a little bit of more tightness, you know. You'll get a feel for it. Some things you should know about removing the battery box. The battery tray is only held in with 3 screws, bolts. One right here on the frame rail, the other one up front closer to the radiator, and then one over here on the side, which you will require an extension to get it. And then there's one little about 10 millimeter bolt right here, and then the whole box will come out the way. So there's nothing difficult to remove the box or tray and replace that sensor down there. So I'm going to button everything up, and all this corrosion you see here, I guess that's from the battery losing some battery acid. Maybe it may be cracked, so I'm going to have my battery tested. But if you see any of that, baking soda, water mix will neutralize that, or you can get some spray that they sell at the auto parts store that neutralizes battery acid. So Maintenance is the game, guys. Maintenance is the game. So I'm gonna put it all together now.